You're watching more about the Badwam TV Badwam so. Jumadie do shase 5:30 dey do sorry a Badwam kase nsam no ne obeti wo mu bi ni. Yamam pani John Dramani Mahama na kasa ise wiase nkoso ejire bibiman so. Enti no se oman wiase nyina begina yi a bibiman mu nipa edumu akotene pa no ne nsem bi ene de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo ko Facebook /Adom TV extra go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube ne kwa adomonline.com ensemi ni nsembebre ewo ho mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem chiremu etie enrada Ghana yema mpani kogina simpie so bia wiase aman nyina mpanifo wono mo agina ehia eno mu na wo kire sede bibiman ye so emfaso ya yewo ewo wiase ehwe bedu bre bi ewo wiase mu no na bibiman yedumu akotene pa ye eboa impuntu mu emunsem eni.
It has famously been written that past is prologue. Well, in the past, the majority of the 54 nations that now comprise Africa were never offered a seat at the table where plans for a new world order were being drawn. But, Madam President, as fate would have it, the tables are turning, and Africa's role in the authorship of whatever is yet to come for this world is going to be huge, and it will be consequential. According to this organization's own projections, by the year 2050, more than 25% of the world's population is expected to come from the African continent. Additionally, by 2050, 1/3 of all young people aged between 15 to 24 will be residing on the African continent. So you see, the future of this world is African. Allow me to say this once again a little louder for those of you in the back. The future is African.
Mampani ne guso ya wakasa na ni nyina no ye UN General Assembly ya wono so ekokasa ye wase bie na wode eto amamman mpanifo no nyina ni mo se woni de mode ekoso wo Gaza mpapra no eso no wo mo ensiri mu no wo mo nka de etuamu mu no korɛ sesei netie na ye nhwema asomdwe ntime fa no ntuma pa infra.
The denial of visas to President Abbas and the Palestinian delegation sets a bad precedent and should be deeply worrying to all member nations of the United Nations. Ghana recognized the state of Palestine in 1988 and supported a two-state solution to the conflict since then. And I say, contrary to the claims of some, a two-state solution would not be a reward for Hamas. It would rather be a reprieve for the hundreds of thousands of innocent women and children and people who are facing collective punishment and forced starvation for no reason other than the fact that they are Palestinian. For nearly 2 years and for the fear of reprisals, we here in this General Assembly have been playing hide and seek with language to find the right words to help us avoid or excuse what we all know is taking place in Gaza. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter what you call it. If it looks like a duck, it swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, well, then it must be a duck. The crimes in Gaza must stop.
Yemfri yemampani sampa wode kwatu dwai mu ne yemunra yensam foforo mu na Ghana Law Society ne wa ba bontia ba be chechire mu no say woni Ghana Bar Association eni kuratwe bia na mom wono so abaya wo mo eba beboa ama tentene ne nwuma no etumi agira ne naso ye.
Oh, that cannot be the case. It just happened that over a long period of time in this country, we have had the Ghana Bar operate, alone. But you know that our constitution makes room for freedom of association. And so, every period, every year, as the country grows, institutions also grow. I mean, there used to be a time when we had only GPRTU. We had only GPRTU in this country, you all know. Over time, we also have concerned drivers, which is a registered body. So Ghana Law Society is also another organization of lawyers that has come up. As a country, we should accept it and support it to grow. Our objectives does not, spell out that we are challenging them. The objective that they have is the same objective that we also have. And the objective is to support the administration of justice in this country, support the judiciary, and support our democracy.
Otimuafo Penny, Pobafo Boni, Yao Hechiri, and so edit to just say. The near surpass a Ghana Law Society Mumpeni for about an hour Bechianwa, Womo and then a baby Diduma.
The judiciary, the bench needs the bar. And so we are excited that you have also pledged to support the judiciary and its intendments. And then at the end of the day, it is justice for the people that we all seek after.
Greater Accra Regional Police Commander no ache Orebia when you fear Driana Numa, why no one say, why ye Austrani, and what did you see Canum Efria this year before Wabuso Kai, I won't cry her.
The past 2 months and counting, no yanis also ran up no share Saturday, and no Kakujina, a yes, Sabron and so. Did the 4 nature more, no abon training, ni crown na a here on no. Now I ni pabia or Pakoye ne Juma, a way abuso kind and importing hormone. Na wabon training, ni hiano, not watching, ni nya san in tiano, a toy book, Bonibeka say a monetano for a certain period. Ni who send no crania informants, any ebe share no, no crantinra. Any 2 anamo echo a ye biaya na ye susu ana jitumu se ojina honomono ene ensa echo kano
Ehono sande kokoboy kwama nipa bomfo a wonomo ewo yempotema wodru nyina se wonhwa na posifo anso wonomo epachi ewo ne mabone a woye anyesa na semna no ese wonomu a wobefra kokko se alolo
esa wo hyene so se emra no eye edwuma ewo man mu eni nti se koba ne se wonante wonwumadie bibibia woye bia mo no ekokotia emra na Ghana ede edwuma na ade a police for ensa ebeka na se ensa council a yede wo bekwa akogina eye court na ne court enso wo no yaka ede achi.
Ghana Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics now one day to abide anymore some mandatory front of package. Yeah, aduane ho de roach labeling no ne ade no. I was see nyina ye ho. E bi ohoro ma so de wo aduane na ye die ne nkrata no ho hunu kasa no kwa won tiase. Omo se ebrason se wo se santroye na gugu nuane no ho nyina no emu da ho emma de wato ekwa akodi obetimi akan atiase.
Kidney yare, esitwe yare, diabetes, hypertension, stroke. Sa yare we se no enipa enya no ekọ enim bebre esoa so na eko na yenhwehwe mu kire se enuane wi a kire se esichire nchene ene srade a na anwa adonso mu bebre no eno na amasa yare we ye amanfo bebre ewo ye man mu enti eho abehia se enuane a ya nkofoto a package foods no ye pese abinding imre bi ba ebe hye companies a omoye san enuane se wo company kra wo ye aduane bi a esiche wo mbebre no tro fa bo o product no kakra se they are me to esiche wo na se nipa no pe na so pese oto a na wato
we ye osan edit to just say so onum etu sa na mo no a kebeboa pa te sa anyarewa yi so ama omanfo ho ato
enti sa nyeme ye GDS ye ya ebeboa ma nkofo ehu enuane omu di na omutu omu hofo se ye nkoso ni sa enuane ya na se ma ye nkoso na ye ni enuane ebeboa ya pomode
ma ya wo modomo wo achimodan kwanta wo brem central poyemantemu efa ho ye hiemu wo mo se mo no wo madua te dodo no a so tofo no wo he wo se penifo mu ekwan mu se be ya wo mo no so ade hye beba abeto
me pacho afi mi do wan ne kape me nya boto no 30 o me pacho emo ne de yayam dodo na yam de enso atofo ne ma esan satofo ne menti ye hu se de esi hata emo no aka no nti yesre se man 40 enkan amomre odan kwanta ya wo mo emu hwam ede efenso sisi abo ni menti sa first na yakase ebibi form de ebo mu no sisi anyame adom ni ndie nti afidie abayede yi abo ne nyina frim enti wuto ya no an se wudu nsu esi no ahoro ho de agum
eto ne de sese de enko ha enko kura yinatofo nto enti ama sese ya ahokyere ewo yeso me pane chew do Mahama me pane chew yebun kotodwe esre no ese omra medom yen
wonom so a odi mfidie di dwuma was rice mill ho no so de ato abanim so moden so won ba beto mo no rudu mu de akosuku ni nnwuma hoduo mu se ne be ya omomfidie no emo won so fi ka obi obeto de a anka ho ayede ama won ye pa
ha no se sisie no se ne emo ne nko no sisie na kuafo no nya de ba na onya aso ho wi a wo afidie wura no hwe wanim ye na ye ton ne de amsika ama onya de ba na oyam wi na okọ fie na obana ka se ye nto ya na eno so no akoye bibia wo ho ana ade no so obi de ba na ye nto ya wuni sika bia wo ye den wo de ma no nti ama ye nso no ye den ye kwa ho kirem sisi amu no bebre ho kwa mo de ba ye sa ma mo de kọ visa wo de ba na ye jigu na ye ya ma na obana ka se sika ni ho a eya na ama adwuma no aye nti sisi ade eye sa afie we de aho kire de endafom
Menyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be makwan ya no pay ye de asie ye da se emre ne adaje a wode ma yenti ye de agudie mu nsam ene de obon krata no eto so e de amon kwasinsia ye krado e wa ha se ye rekese de wadi nso ejina mu den ti be me na no pay menchia we